Hello guys, welcome to Enthusiast Learning Platform, and I am here to share knowledge about development boards like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, etc. The first board which I am taking is Arduino, and the first topic is setting up the Arduino with Windows and Mac. So without wasting more time, let's start with the tutorial. So let's start with Windows first. First, on your browser, go on to arduino.cc, then on software and downloads. In the downloads, scroll down and you will see the Arduino apps for different systems. Since we are on Windows, we will download it for Windows. Now here, you can either contribute some money to the Arduino forum or you can just download it for free and the download will start. Now, as the software is downloaded, it's just a simple Windows installation process we have to follow. In case it shows you some libraries to be installed on the go, just give it a go and install it as a normal Windows process. Since I already have the software downloaded, I'll directly open and give you the first glance of how it looks and also help you to set it up with your respective boards. So this is how your software will look like at first. So the first of all you have to set your board with this software. So currently it is already set to Arduino Uno. So even I am using Uno, so it is already set. Even if you want to change your board, if you are using Nano, Mega or any other board, then you have to select the board respectively from here. And since my board is not connected to the PC, it is showing the port is empty. So what I'll do is I'll connect my board now and it should show me my board. And see here, the now COM port is showing me the board, the Arduino Uno. So once this is done, your board is set up with the software. Now to test if it is working or not, go to the file, then go to the examples and there is a basics. This comes preloaded with the software. These are some basic programs which you can test on the Arduino boards. So now I am just using a simple blink program which will just blink the LED on the board for 1 second. Okay, so this is the code of blink which will just blink the LED for 1 second. Here it is shown. So now it has two things to compile. One is compile, that is verify. It checks whether there are any errors in your code and it shows you the error. And this is upload. So this will upload it to the board. But if you directly press upload, it will first compile and then upload. If there are errors, it won't upload it to the board and it will tell you to correct the errors and then upload. If your code is perfect, then it will directly get uploaded. So since this code is directly from the software, it won't have any errors. So I'll directly upload the code. So first see, it is compiling and after it is compiled, it will upload directly. So now uploading and done. Now the code is uploaded to the board. So now as you can see, the LED on the board is blinking for 1 second. So yeah, so this was the setup required to set it software with the Arduino. Now we will try it on Mac. Now we will see how it works on Mac. So open the browser arduino.cc, then go to the software downloads same as on Windows and download the software for Mac OS X. Here also same thing, I'll just download it for free and wait for it to download. Now since the software is downloaded, here there is no need of installation like on Windows. Here it will directly open. The Mac will ask you if you want to trust. Yes, you can definitely trust this app. and boom, it's open. Now here the toolbar of Arduino appears over here. So from here, first see if your board is attached. So here your board is not attached. Here also board is selected as Arduino Uno, which is same as on Windows. Now we will connect board to the Mac and it should show up in the port. Yes. So here also it is connected. So now if you open the port, it is showing Arduino Uno on port USB modem. So select it, and similarly here also from file examples basics add the predefined program link and you can directly upload it. Done uploading and the LED is blinking again. So that's it guys, this is the simple setup you can do of Arduino on both Mac as well as Windows. And with this I end my video for today. We'll see you soon with more videos and more tutorials and exciting projects on Arduino, Raspberry Pi, etc. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching.